Hey friends, today I'll show you how to fix a white screen issue on a Windows 10 or 11 computer. First, try pressing Shift, Control, Windows, and the B key together. This will restart your video driver. That should bring it back up and might solve the problem. If that doesn't help, press Control, Shift, and Escape. This will open Task Manager. Sort your tasks by memory and right-click to close the heavy ones. Click End Task. If that doesn't work, select Windows Explorer and click Restart. That might also help. If it still doesn't work, go to Startup Apps and disable everything. Then restart your computer and that should fix it. This was Vasim Poka. See you later.